What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. In today's video I'm going to show you how to program on main few CVs, very simple adjustment. You probably start laughing, crazy Russian saying simple and at the end it's super complicated. No, it's not. So I'm using newer for me ZIMO Sound Programmer. It's like a package deal. Let's check it out. This software, part of it is ZPP. We just start that thing from here. ZPP configuration. Here you go. Configuration. My MX ULF sound decoder programmer on COM port 3. That thing detects for you COM port. You don't need to go to device manager, which is nice. Next cool thing is this decoder firmware update. It was even faster compared to like USB memory stick. So online update, you're getting all those files, and decoder will be updated with one of the files. I didn't select anything, the software selected. So next we'll close it here, and more cool things. DCC controller looks nice, looks like newer ZIMO app for mobile devices. I didn't try it yet, but I will. I hope it will work with Roku. We'll see. Roku Z21. So now we're turning camera here, camera on, and F8. Default for CV changing on programming on main POM is 266 is sound control. So let's put 20. Nice. Let's put 150. Done. Also you can adjust chaff revolution, CV 267, and all CVs. So cool. On main again. And then after short run I will test current keeper, which is soundtracks energy storage. Ooh, 150 too much. 80. There you go. Yeah, much better. Ah, nice. It's crazy Russian style running steam locomotive. Just for testing purposes, guys. When I'm using the programmer by itself, there is like a wheel as a throttle. I cannot get that effect, but it works great. Look at that. Now let's go like 40 and test energy storage. So I'm going to unplug. I have like small crocodile clips or whatever. Just one rail. In 3, 2, 1. Unplug. Of course, it's very light right now. There is no weight, which is a lot in the boiler by itself. Then it will pull, of course, train, but the result is amazing. No kidding. No power. No power at all. You will hear some, yeah, this. That means it's cutted power. It's running off the energy storage. Wow, that's so cool. That will be all for today. Thanks for watching, supporting business. If you'd like to support channel, please join membership. Have a good one. Bye bye.